Welcome to my quick introduction of my expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. It is a simple scalping tool for all traders and scalpers who are challenged with quick order execution. We all have this problem, especially in lower time frames, like here in the US dollar yen in the 2 minutes chart, where it takes too long to calculate your position size based on your account size. And then over the order execution in MetaTrader 5 to type in your position size and your stop loss. And especially in fast driving and fast moving markets, it can lead to a bad execution. This tool combines order execution and risk management in one. There are trading keyboards outside which costs more than $100. And with this tool, you can execute orders with your keyboard with a third of the price. It's $30 for a 1-year license or $45 for a lifetime activation and total for 10 activations. It's especially for beginners or new scalpers who don't want to afford a trading keyboard, like I said, which costs more than $100. And now I'm explaining this tool which I have developed. First, these are the hotkeys. With W, you can open a buy market order. With S key, you can open a sell market orders. With E, this key sets the trade on break even, and if you have multiple entries on this symbol, it calculates the average entry price and sets there the stop loss. With Q, you can close all positions on this symbol, so you can exit the market on instant. With X and Y, you can change the risk by 0.1% to increase or to lower the risk. So you also can change your risk. The base risk is 0.5%. But if you want to execute an order with 1%, you can change it very fast over your keyboard. And with the arrows, keyboard arrows up and down, you can change the stop loss. And this is especially important for quick scalping. Now to the settings. You have different settings into this tool. The first one is the use percentage-based stop loss. This is the simple system based on these two lines which represents your stop loss, which can be changed with the arrow keys. You have another option which is called use candle high-low for stop loss. With these two setting parameters, number of candles for high-low, if you activate this on true and this on false, it automatically sets the stop loss on the third last candle. I will show you that later. Then you have an additional buffer for the candle stop. Let's say you have this option which automatically sets the stop loss on the third last candle, which is here. Then you can add an additional buffer like 0.1%, which gets calculated or added to that. Yeah, that's color settings. Then you have also a trailing stop option. Also with this key, you can execute your settings and orders with your keyboard and also on the screen with these buttons. And you can activate a trailing stop. And here you can add the minimum trailing stop distance in %. Then you have the steps for the stop loss. With the arrow keys, which I'll show later, they move in a certain step. And if you increase that, this for the 1 or 2 minute time frame, I would like to have 10 pips. But if you trade on higher time frames, you want to increase that like to 50 pips. So you don't have to press the arrow key 100 times. Then you have also the option to enable split positions. If this is on true, it will open two positions. Let's say you have a risk of 1%. If you have enabled split positions, then it opens two positions with 0.5%. So in total, your risk of 1%. And then you can change your reward risk ratio on this split position. So for the first position, it's a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And for the second position, it is a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. If you have a fixed risk reward, you can turn it off, then it's a simple normal position. But I want to split my positions and to have a fixed reward of a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and I want to have a second position where I might catch big moves. And you can also change the split ratio. What does that mean? If I type in 0.7, this means based on the risk 70%, if I have a risk of 1%, this means 0.7% is the amount for the first take profit and 0.3% for the second take profit. And now I show you the order execution. So with the arrow keys, you can move those lines based on the step level, which I explained earlier. So the upper line is for the sell order and the lower line for the buy order. And I can move it with my arrow keys. And let's say I want to have the stop loss here, well, let's a little bit higher. Here for my sell orders, I press the key S and it automatically opens a split position sell order. And automatically, we move to a higher time frame. You see here the targets to a 1 to 2 ratio and a 1 to 4 ratio. And with the button Q, I can instantly close all positions on this symbol. Let's open a buy orders with W. Now I have opened a buy order with a total risk of 0.5. With the key X and Y, I can change my risk, you see it here, to 0.2, or increase the risk to 0.5, or even higher to a 1%. If I'm unsure what I want to do, I can also close half of the positions. You see here, there are 1.99 lot per split positions, and if I press close half positions, half the position gets closed. And if I click it again, the half position gets closed, and again. And I want to demonstrate the break-even function, but for that we have to be in profit. The break-even function works with the key E. And if you have multiple entries, like I want to open another order here, you have two different entries. And based on the position size and your entry price, it calculates the average entry price without spread and commissions. But for that, the price has to move to demonstrate this. These are all the functions in this order tool. Maybe we get a chance to show that. But I will show it you visually. You see, we have here our entry price left with this 0.24 lots 2 times, in here with 3.51. So if the price is moving up, the lower position is in profit, like here, and the upper position is in a drawdown. So our average entry price would be around here. And if I press the button E, it will move our stop loss to this line. But I can just demonstrate that if the price is above. But it also works like, let's put a sell order. And now I pressed E, and the average entry price based, so it's also working a hedging system where we have buy and sell orders. And let's close all positions with Q. And all positions are now closed. One more option is to use candle high low. So we have true number of candles. Let's say I want to have the 5 last candles. And if we now open a sell position, the stop loss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is set here. And we're closing now the positions again. Thank you.